Yo, so check this out. I ended up buying some rims from a buddy of mine. Homie, if you're watching this, I appreciate you, bro. We ended up going for some Niche Misanos 18 by 9.5 plus 35. He used to have them bronze. He was kind of like trying to rip off the paint and painting them another color, but he didn't have time. So he decided to sell the rims, and hey, you know, I'll take them. And now I have them, so I'm working on stripping the paint off now myself. I'll probably end up going back to the bronze, but at the moment I think I'm gonna end up using them the same color, the way they originally came. So we're working on that process now. This one's kind of getting there. I already added the paint stripper on this. It's gonna take a while for that to come off. So this is what they look like so far. Paint's almost gone, man. The only thing that's left is primer. I have to use sandpaper. I thought 400 grit was gonna work, but that's actually taking way too long. But I mean, we're getting close towards the factory of the rim. But I think I'm gonna have to stop here and wait till tomorrow to see if I can get maybe a smaller, like more thicker for the sandpaper, and see if hopefully I can speed up the process. But I'm dying to put these on already, man.